Hello students, today we're going to work on using the copy-paste command that comes with Microsoft Word. As you can see, we are in Blackboard Learn, so to get the materials for today's lesson, you'll need to log on to Blackboard Learn with your N number and your PIN number. Once you get to the content page, you're going to scroll down until you find your grade level folder. Click on the 3rd grade folder, and you'll notice the top activity that says copy and paste activity. Go ahead, click on that and open it. Please notice that each class has their own area to work in. Find your homeroom teacher's area and then click on that link. I'm going to use Mrs. Riceberg's area today. Click on Miss Riceberg's area. Now, we've talked about submitting and uploading assignments to Blackboard before. Once again, the sheet or the web page is divided into 4 sections. There's an assignment information, section 1, the place where you're going to browse your computer and find your document on assignment submission, section 2, add comments for your teacher in section 3, and then submit your assignment. We are not going to put any comments into section 3 today. In section 1, you're going to find a link, a red link that says copy paste activity.docx. Please go ahead and click on that. You should see a menu asking if you want to open, save, or cancel. Your window is going to be right in the middle of the screen. Click the open button. At the top of your page, you should see a yellow stripe. In the middle of the stripe, it says Enable Editing. Click on Enable Editing. Now add your name to the document. Put your teacher's name. Whoops. And add today's date. Now we want to go up to the Microsoft button in the upper left hand corner, click on it, and we want to select Save As. You will not see the Save a Copy of the Document window right here. You will not see that. Just go ahead and click Save As. Make sure you're in your Documents library and save it as CP, meaning copy paste activity, then your name. If there are 2 of you in the class with the same name, please remember to include your last initial, and now click Save. Check the top of the document to make sure it says CP and then your name to know that you have saved it correctly. Now let's talk about copy and paste. You have a grid here, and each grid has a cute little Thanksgiving picture at the beginning of the grid. I want you to select each picture and copy it all the way across the row and put a picture into each box. Here's how we do that. We have to tell the computer what we want to copy. In this case, we want to copy the Indian head. We're going to left click on it. Now we're going back to the upper right hand corner. We're going to click the copy button. We have now copied that picture to the computer clipboard. We're going back to the next square on the grid where we want to copy the picture. We're going to click the paste button, and voila. I will demonstrate that one more time. Click on the Indian head picture or whatever it is you'd like to copy. Whoa. Go up to the copy button. Click on the next box. Click on the paste button, and you get it right inside the square. Now here's something that's nice to know. Sometimes you need to copy a graphic many times. In this case, you're going to be copying this graphic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Once you have selected copy, it's already on your clipboard. So you can go ahead and just click inside the next box, paste, go to the next box, click the paste button, the next box, click your paste button, and the last box, and click your paste button. Now our Indian head is still on our magic clipboard. If I click in this box and do paste, I'm going to get another copy of the Indian head, but that's not what I want. I want to copy the turkey this time. I'm going to show you a different way to copy the turkey. This time I want you to use your mouse. We've talked about using the right click on your mouse to select pictures. Well, I want you to right click on the picture of the turkey, select copy, go to the next square on the grid, right click again, and use paste. Do that all the way across the row until you have copied every single picture on the chart directly across the rows. Now, for the purpose of this video, I am going to pretend that I have finished my document. Everything is done. It's time for me to save it one more time. Simply go to the Office button and select plain old Save. Now, some kids asked if they can use this button, which is the Save button. It's a shortcut button. You can use that once you have saved the document the regular way the first time. Now, I've completed my Word document. I do not need my Word software open anymore, so I'm going to go up to the upper right-hand corner. I'm going to click the red X, and I'm going to close it. It's going to ask me if I want to save what's on my clipboard. I'm going to say no. We have completed part 1 of the assignment. Now we go to part 2, and we're going to attach the file. We're going to select Browse My Computer. We're going to find the document that we just made in our Documents library. I named this one CP Sally. Select it. Select Open. And notice that CP Sally is now in Section 2. It has been attached to be uploaded. Skip Section 3 with the comments. Go to Submit. Click your Submit button. And at this point, you should see one of 3 things. You should see either a copy of your document, which is what I see right here. You might see a box that says Download, which means you can download your document if you want to see it. Or you might see a button that says Generating Preview. If you see any of those, you have been successful. Once you are finished, go on up to the Logout button. On Learn, click the Logout button. Log out of Blackboard. You can close all the tabs if it asks you. And you are officially done.